Scavvies are the very dregs of humanity. Though they are so devolved and twisted, they can hardly be considered humans anymore. They are so severely deformed and often mutated by the toxic environment they live in. Scavvies dress in rags and are caked in the most indescribable foulness. Their skin is disgusting masses of sores, warts, and blisters. Their limbs are so withered that crude hooks and peg legs are common. Any Scavvy, too crippled to defend himself, is easy prey for his fellows. Scavvies scratch out an existence in the most foul and polluted underhive wastelands, hungrily watching for an opportunity to murder, rob, and pillage anyone or anything nearby. Scavvies have to band together to survive. A typical band will be made up of several extended and severely inbred families. The dominant male in the band rules through brute strength, low cunning, and having as many siblings as possible. Though individual Scavvies pose little threat to a well-armed gang, they are cunning enough to use traps, ambushes, and weight of numbers to even the odds. Occasionally, a Scavvy king will arise and unite several Scavvy bands together in a ramshackle tribe. Such coalitions can create a ragged horde of Scavvies, big enough to overrun a settlement and trading holes. Scavvies often round up packs of zombies and send them against outposts, settlements, and rival gangs that they are attacking. In sufficient numbers, these contagious creatures are fearsome opponents. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I made some of these kit bashes. All kinds of different parts. Games Workshop zombie legs. He's got a Kroot head that I sculpted with some green stuff. His tongue is a Skaven tail. Gorka Morka top knot. Oh, and he's also got these two hands that have neodymium magnets in them. And what I've done is I've taken a bunch of my Necromunda guns, and I can customize characters by just putting, say, an auto pistol in one hand, and if I wanted I could put another gun in another hand, or like a hand weapon like a club or a sword or a chain sword. So you see there's a sword. And then this guy, he was a plastic Orlock character. Put a zombie head on him, put a post on his back with some copper wire as banding, bits of bones on there, an Escher shotgun arm with the magazines cut off, a green stuff sculpted the other arm. This guy, he's supposed to be sort of like a hunter or something. He's got a Kroot backpack, some sort of blunderbuss or a shotgun. He was a Gorka Morka gunner, and he's got a Skaven head on top of his head as a hood. He's got a skull back there, like he hunts rats or something. This guy was a Hobbit goblin from the Hobbit, the GW range, and I just gave him a Kroot shoulder pad with a spike and a pole on his back and some tox bombs on his back. This guy was goblin legs, Kroot backpack, tox bomb on his back. The gun was kit bashed out of whatever I could find in my bits box, and he's got like a cultist's head. And then that's another chaos cultist. I use several of those. Those are pretty easy to be kind of ragtag soldiers. My only real official character for the Scavvies right now is this one that I got at a local hobby store for $5. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.